Hello everyone, welcome to QHubTv. So if we look at the last week Indian stock market performance, there are two news which have taken place in our Indian stock market. One is positive news, another one is negative news. Positive news is that FIIS re-entry into the Indian stock market, means not completely, but compared to the earlier sessions. So in the last week, instead of selling, they bought in the cash market. In the last week video also, I told you very clearly that the selling pressure has been declining from the FIIS. So that is the one good news for the Indian stock market, like I said in the last week. So in this week we have seen the same thing in our Indian cash market. That is from 13th to 16th of February, the FIIS were the net buyers in the cash market, obviously domestic institutional investors also. 13th around 1322 crores they were invested, and 14th 1305 crores, 15th 432 crores, and 16th 1570 crores they have bought in our cash segment. In the same manner, DIS also invested their money in cash market, like 521 crores on 13th and 204 crores on 14th and 516 crores on 15th and 1577 crores on 16th. So this is the one positive news for the Indian stock market. Now comes to the negative news. So everything is going on according to the expectation, that is it means the Nifty is moving towards the 18,000, moved towards the 18,000, almost it crossed the 18,000 also, and it was tried to kiss the 18,200 level also at one point of time. But the one negative data, that is negative news, which is in the form of PPI inflation data, which has been released on Thursday. So from the Thursday afternoon session only, we have seen the correction in all the indices of our Indian stock market and in the US market also, and that the inflation statistics are more than the expectations. That is what the market was expected regarding the PPI inflation, but the actual figures are more than the expectation. So the again a panic created among the investors, throughout the global stock market here. So we have seen means that PPI inflation statistics resulted in the major fall in all the global indices, and we have seen in our Indian stock market also almost Nifty corrected 250 points from the higher levels. So completely, if you look at the Friday session, so throughout the day, except that last half an hour, the Nifty is fallen like anything. So not only Nifty, so in all the indexes, that mid cap and small cap and large cap, so everywhere we have seen the correction and fall only. So finally, in the last 1 hour and last half an hour, the Nifty has recovered from the lower level and closed at 50 and 20 DEMA and daily chart here. Now if we look at the coming week Nifty expectations, now the Nifty closed at 17,944. The immediate support for the Nifty is at 17,891, then 17,855, then 17,793, 17,759 and 17,722. It means once the Nifty breaches 17,800 level, then the new selling pressure mountains in the Nifty. Comes to the resistance, the immediate resistance at 17,974, then after 18,017, 18,079, 18,144, 18,181, then 18,202. So these are the support and resistance based on the chart. If you look at the put call ratio, so now at 18,000 level, the call raters, the open interest from the call raters around 2,35,912, and from put raters, so put rater conviction is also there 18,000, that is 1,38,345. So it is the open interest built up by the put raters. Then 18,100, so call raters are there 1,74,401, 18,200, 1,49,226. So based on put call ratio, the resistance levels are the huge resistance built up at 18,000, then after 18,100 and 18,200. So coming to the support level, 17,900. So at 17,900, 1,06,729 open interest built up from the put traders, and 17,800, 1,07,884, and 17,700, 91,932 crores. So here one thing is very clear, the conviction, the call raters conviction is more compared to the put raters. So this is one concern which we have to keep in our mind while taking the entry into the stock market from Monday onwards. So this is the Nifty level, Nifty. Now coming to the Bank Nifty. So now if we look at the Bank Nifty chart since last 2 to 3 months, Bank Nifty day by day the Bank Nifty has become very sensitive. So one small bad news or negative news, okay, resulting in the 1,000 points, 1,000 to 1,500 points correction in creating in Bank Nifty here. So this is the one concern from the Bank Nifty. So if you look at the last week Bank Nifty performance, in the last week, so there are one interesting thing taken place in the Bank Nifty. On Monday, the Bank Nifty has taken support at 41,150 and moved near to the 42,000 on 16th. It means in the first 4 days, the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so everything was smooth, okay, from global point of view and the domestic point of view. So there was a rally, okay, in all the indices of the Indian stock market, even in the global market also. After that PPI inflation data, the Bank Nifty corrected around 1,100 points from the higher level. So this that's why I am saying the Bank Nifty, this index was very sensitive here. It is reacting violently for every negative news. So here the traders who are taking the positions or who are trading in Bank Nifty index, okay, they have to be very careful, okay, while keeping the stop losses. Even the stop losses also not working out for the traders because the movement is very big. So it is not possible to keep the profitable stop losses for the investors and traders also. So in this type of scenario, so now Bank Nifty now it closed at 41,131 on Friday. So the interesting thing I forgot to say that one, we started the Bank Nifty started its journey from 41,150 on Monday, last Monday, and yesterday on Friday also the Bank Nifty closed at same level here where it has been started, there only it was closed on Friday, that is 41,150. Means last week 41,150, okay, sponsored the upside rally. So again the Bank Nifty halted at that particular point only. Now we have to see whether the same support level will work out for this week also not. We have to wait for the next week. Now coming to the support and resistance level on chart, 40,875 and 774 it is the immediate support for the Bank Nifty. Then 40,625, 40,428, 40,282. So these are the supporting levels. Next, resistance 41,345, 41,432, then 41,669, then 41,921. These are the resistance level where the bank nifty may face the resistance on the chart. If you look at the put call data, at 42,000 and 41,500, the highest open interest built up from the call writer side, that is at 41,500, 1,95,890 open interest built up, and at 42,000, 1,61,057 crores open interest built up there. Now coming to the support, 41,000 put writers open interest 1,20,717, then 40,500, 81,929. Again this means 40,500 to 42,000. So it was the range for the bank nifty from support to highest resistance. Lower support at 40,500, higher support, higher resistance at 42,000. So this is the nifty and bank nifty expectation for the coming week. Now coming to the next week news, means we have to keep some data which is going to be released in the next week on Monday. So that is US markets closed because the President's Day holiday. So on Monday, so US markets not functioned on Monday. So coming to the Tuesday, S&P Global Composite PPI flash estimation for the February month may be released, and January home sales data is also going to be released on Tuesday. So Wednesday, so very important news, that is FOMC meetings minutes can be released, and on Thursday US GDP growth rate will be released, and that is second estimation. On the same day, real consumer spending growth and Kansas Fed Composite Index February report is also going to be released on Thursday. So on Friday, new home sales data for the January month is going to be released, and on the same day, University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index, the final reading statistics will be released on Friday. Then PCE January index is also be going to release on that one. On Friday, the Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce report earnings will be released. So next week also a very important week for the global markets as well as the Indian stock market. Why? Because some important statistics are also going to be announced. So the investors and traders have to keep all these statistics, okay, while taking the trades either sides in the market. So overall next week we may see somewhat volatility in all the indices. So hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.